Today is a special day when our rescue heroes have a day off. The city is peaceful. No emergency incidents occurred. But the peace did not last long. An emergency signal. Immediately, the rescue team must return to duty. Flare arrived at the scene of the fire, using a powerful water hose to extinguish the fire in a small house. Bobby directed traffic and secured the area for public safety, while Healy helped those with minor injuries.
Thank you.
Okay.
Jet flies from above, monitors all situations, and assists ground vehicles, ensuring the safety of everyone in the area. The incident has been resolved, and once again, our rescue heroes can return to their day off, ready for their next mission.
The dangerous oil spill on the curb. A winding road runs along a steep cliff with a sharp curve. One barrel falls, hits the cliff, and breaks. Oil spills across the road. A car approaches and skids on the oil. It swerves, nearly falling off the cliff. A large suction hose is lowered, absorbing the spilled oil. The oil gradually disappears from the road. The police remove warning signs. Accidents can happen anytime, but the right response keeps every journey safe.
An interesting day in the forest. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue and the sunshine is warm. In the green forest, the cargo truck and the hook truck are happily getting ready to collect wood. The cargo truck carefully stacks the bundles of wood, while the hook truck lifts and hooks the big logs. They work together very hard. Suddenly, because of the intense heat, the straw dust catches fire. The flames grow quickly. Oh no! There's a fire! The cargo truck shouts in panic. The cargo truck throws a bundle of wood into the fire to put it out. But, oh no! The fire becomes even bigger than before. in the sky, the patrol vehicle is flying when it spots the fire. The patrol vehicle quickly flies over and sprays water to put out the fire. In no time, the flames are gone and the road is safe again. What an interesting and unforgettable day!
The dangerous oil spill on the curve. A winding road runs along a steep cliff with a sharp curve. One barrel falls, hits the cliff, and breaks. Oil spills across the road. A car approaches and skids on the oil. It swerves, nearly falling off the cliff. A large suction hose is lowered, absorbing the spilled oil. The oil gradually disappears from the road. The police remove warning signs. Accidents can happen anytime, but the right response keeps every journey safe.
Fire at the gas station. On a scorching hot day at the gas station. The fuel hose leaks. Drops of fuel fall onto the concrete, forming a spreading puddle. A piece of trash floats in the wind and slowly falls into the fuel puddle. A small flame ignites from the fuel puddle. Just moments away from a major disaster.
What?
Smoldering smoke at the airport. At the airport pickup zone, taxis line up waiting for passengers. A thin trail of smoke quietly rises near the airport taxi area. Something isn't right. Inside, a paper with a still burning cigarette but smoldering. Luckily, the danger was handled just in time. A small spark can cause big danger. Always be careful with things that seem harmless.
Rescue under the sea. Today, an underwater delivery car has a mission to deliver a package on the ocean floor. After finishing its mission, the delivery car begins its journey back. Suddenly, wheels get caught in a sunken fishing net. The net is stretched tight because it is tangled with a large anchor. The rescue vehicle attaches a cable to the anchor. It slowly pulls the heavy anchor away from the net. The delivery car continues its journey home. The rescue vehicle returns to its duties. Journey among the desert dunes. A small cargo truck slowly crosses the quiet desert. Ahead lies an area of fine sand near a small oasis. Oh no, it's quicksand! As the truck drives forward, its wheels suddenly sink. Emergency lights flash in the sea of sand. A rescue signal is urgently sent. In a desert that seems peaceful, danger can hide beneath the surface.
Lightning splits the road apart. Heavy rain pours down as thunder roars loudly. After the heavy storm, a police car patrols the road. Suddenly, it discovers a huge crack splitting across the street. A police car quickly arrives at the scene. Once the area is cleared, a cement truck moves in. Concrete is poured to seal the massive crack. The road is fully repaired and safe again. The police car removes the barriers. Traffic resumes beneath the post-storm sky.
The brave rescue of the vehicles. Today is a beautiful day. The sky is bright blue, and warm sunlight shines down on the busy road. All the vehicles are driving smoothly, feeling happy and full of energy. Suddenly, the volcano that has been sleeping for a long time begins to shake. Boom! The volcano erupts and glowing lava flows down onto the road. Some vehicles cannot escape in time and run into trouble. At that moment, the rescue team quickly arrives. Fire trucks, rescue trucks, and police cars work together to clear a safe path. One by one, the vehicles are pulled out of danger. The lava is blocked, and the road slowly becomes safe again. In the end, all the vehicles are safe. Everyone feels happy and thankful to the brave rescue team. It has been a truly unforgettable day. Oh no! A boat capsized in a big storm! The passengers on board are in danger. Will the rescue team be able to save them in time? But don't worry! The rescue team is here. Fire trucks and ambulances are on standby, and helicopters are preparing to take to the skies. The rescue helicopter will approach the sunken ship from the air. Will it be able to save the passengers before it is too late? The lifeboats have set sail. With the support of helicopters, the rescue team will safely rescue the passengers from the sinking ship. The rescue is underway. The passengers are being loaded into lifeboats and will be brought to safety. Will everyone make it? Finally, all the passengers were rescued. The rescue team did a great job and everyone will return safely. Thank you to the brave and determined rescue team. Once again, they have saved lives, bringing safety and hope to everyone. Don't forget, when there is an accident, there are always heroes ready to help.
Wildfire rescue in the forest. The police car is sleeping soundly inside the station. Suddenly, the red alert alarm blares through the station. A forest is burning out of control. Inside the burning forest, a vehicle is trapped in thick smoke. It has become unconscious and cannot move. The police car activates its siren. It quickly dispatches the fire truck and ambulance to the scene. Following the police car's guidance, the ambulance enters the safe zone. The trapped vehicle is quickly rescued from the fire.
The oil spill in the city. After hauling rocks out of the cave and completing its delivery, the heavy truck leaves the mining area and heads toward the city. The truck slightly loses control and crashes into the barrels. Oil bursts out and spreads across the street. Gradually cleared. In a busy city, a single careless moment can cause major chaos.
The camping trip before the rain. Today, the vehicles decide to have a camping trip in the forest. Everyone is excited and busy preparing. The bulldozer is in charge of setting up the tents. Near the campfire, the forklift carefully grills meat. The delicious smell spreads through the campsite. Meanwhile, the excavator heads deeper into the forest to collect firewood.
Huh?
The excavator gets trapped in a muddy pit hidden beneath dry leaves. The more it struggles, the deeper it sinks.
Huh?
Oh no! The sky slowly darkens. Dark clouds gather, signaling incoming rain. The forklift and bulldozer keep waiting, but the excavator still hasn't returned with the firewood. They begin to worry. A camping trip full of trouble, but also a day to remember.
Good morning, city! And as usual, Bobby, our brave police car is patrolling, keeping the peace. But suddenly, an unexpected event occurs.
Hey, you! Over right there!
Bobby received an emergency signal. A car has been stolen and is on the run. Bobby immediately rushed out at top speed.
Hey!
The streets are no longer peaceful. Bobby must quickly pass slow-moving cars so as not to lose sight of the criminal. A truck is blocking the road. Can Bobby get past it? Of course. Bobby quickly rushes through a narrow road, defeating the obstacle, not letting the criminal escape. And then, a big hole! The criminal car couldn't get out of it. Bobby got close in time and stopped the criminal car. The chase ended here. Bobby is not only a policeman, but also a real hero of the city. Thanks to Bobby's bravery and speed, the criminal is arrested. The city is peaceful again. Giant bubbles on the sea! A peaceful morning under the ocean. Subie swims happily among colorful fish. Oh wow, he looks so excited! Wait a minute, what's that? A giant pearl? Or a huge bubble? Oh my goodness, it's getting bigger! Even bigger! And now it's larger than Subie! Oh no! The bubble's floating up! Subie's being lifted with it! Watch out! There's a pod of dolphins ahead! Bounce! Bounce! Ah! The bubble's going to burst! Oh no! Subie's falling! Splash! Ha 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 ha! And off goes Subie again, this time with a tiny bubble on his head. Who would have guessed?
Clean, not for long. Inside a garage, a garbage truck is being washed. Water sprays, foam covers the whole vehicle. The garbage truck is sparkling clean. A modified car speeds in. The modified car rushes past, leaving black smoke. The garbage truck gets covered in dirt again. A fire truck passes by and notices the situation. It stops and comes to help. The garbage truck happily continues its journey. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but there's always someone ready to help you start fresh.
During rush hour, the city suddenly encountered an emergency. A traffic accident caused the entire main road to be blocked. Bobby received the signal from the radio and started moving to the scene, but the streets were too crowded. No other vehicles could move. With determination, Bobby began directing traffic, helping vehicles move away from the congested area, creating space for rescue vehicles to approach the scene. And this is where the Healy ambulance comes in. Healy quickly arrives and sets to work treating the injured victims. Meanwhile, Flair, The brave fire truck is rushing to the scene, using water jets to extinguish the dangerous flames. With the help of jet, helicopters, police, and rescue vehicles on the ground can monitor the situation from above, helping them coordinate traffic more effectively. Thanks to the excellent coordination of Bobby, Healy, Flair, and Jet, the situation was quickly resolved. The city is back to peace and traffic is flowing smoothly.